Morning, it's Fish, the beach bum investor. I'm not going to spend ages on today, it is a Sunday. The one thing I wanted to talk about today in particular was Bitshares and the fact it's been delisted from Bittrex, and just give you some advice on what to do to avoid losing your Bitshare coins. Interesting move by Bittrex. Don't know about it, we'll talk about that in a second. I'll just post up and let the guys know we're here. Hey guys. Yeah, so the main topic today is Bitshares. Probably not going to do a huge chat today because we've got a bunch of stuff to do. Geordie's over. Oh, now there's lots of people in. Hey Z. Yeah, Geordie's over today, so we're going to shoot some of those videos. I've told you about a couple of them, Z, that we're shooting. You know one of them. It's a bit silly. Fun though. Yeah, so we're shooting the videos for them today. Hopefully get some good content out. Hey, Jason Evangelinos. I don't think I've seen you. G'day, mate. How are you? Good to see you. Hey, Jim. How's things? Yeah, so Bitshares is being delisted from the Bittrex platform. We need to talk about that and let you know how to get your Bitshares into a place where they're going to be safe. Just let me post up very quickly to get the rest of the crew over here. Hey, Hourglass. How are you? I think everyone's... Oh, okay, yeah, you knew. I thought you might be, Jason. Yeah, well, welcome, man. We just chat crypto, as you probably saw on the videos. A few regulars here, and we've got a Discord group as well where we continue the conversation when the show's not running. Because of SEC, I'm not sure, Hourglass. It could be because of that. I just know it's happening. It could be because Bitshares, because Bittrex see Bitshares as a big threat, a decentralized exchange. I'm not sure. But the main thing is that we get those Hey, A-Dog. The main thing is that we get those Bitshares safe, which they're not going to be in Bittrex. So we're going to talk about that today. Oh, you got a PS4. Sweet, A-Dog. I didn't... You know me, man. I stopped... I had a Nintendo, Duck Hunt. That's about when I stopped video gaming. It's good to hear, Ben. PS4 sounds cool. I heard it was because of SEC, because it classified as a security. Yeah, fair enough. Hey, Brendan. From Ireland. How are you? That's good to hear, man. Total opposite side of the world to me. I'm going to stream on PS4. So for all of those A-Dog fans out there, including myself, check out A-Dog's stream. He's going to try and... see you later, mate. He's going to try and stream on his PS4. Good young kid. Yeah, come on, get into him. What games do you have, A-Dog? Let everyone know. I'm going to post up. Being delisted from Bittrex, move your Bitshares today. Just a bit of friendly advice there for everyone who's got Bitshares. Sorry about this, I'm really unorganised today. 1,000,001 things going on. Yeah, I was supposed to be surfing up at the Sunshine Coast and I'm gutted. There's no swell and they postponed the competition until November, and I'm hoping it doesn't cross over with that the DK Sessions comp that I've got down in Port Macquarie towards the end of the year. So I don't want to have to choose. I've already registered for the Port Macquarie competition, so but this is representing my club. I don't know. We'll see what happens. News, Bitshares cryptocurrency news, Bittrex. It's all bit today. Bit. Yeah, you can hear Jordan in the background. He's come over. We're going to make some videos today, so we're going to be doing a couple of videos and hopefully get the quality of this stream going better. We didn't have time to do it before the stream, but hopefully for tomorrow we can have a bit better quality and some cool videos coming out as well. Should be fun. I've got some music videos to do, as you know, for the 11 days of PIVX. Releasing our core wallet 3.0.0. I haven't actually checked yet. I should be able to actually upload it now. Let me just get into our live chat so I can actually see what's going on. My channel. Yeah. Substratum's one that we've been keeping an eye on. I'll just let you know what I've been seeing overnight so it's not completely boring. Substratum's ones we've been keeping an eye on. It has kept gaining nicely after that. But it was a sizable retracement, which we did expect after significant gains. So I have no idea what's going on my computer. It's deciding to play up right at the wrong time. Here we go. Working now. Oh, that's a good thumbnail. I look really happy in it, don't I? Stop. I don't know why my keys aren't working properly, but they're not, so bear with me. Oh my goodness. I have no idea how this happens. My computer stuff's up sometimes. Well, I shouldn't blame my tools, it's me. I'm terrible with computers. Anyway, the crypto guy who's terrible with computers, how does that figure? Join. Quite often our regular crew won't drop in on the weekend because we've worked all week, and yeah, they tend to take it off and go out and enjoy themselves. I cannot get this computer to work. This is going to be an interesting half hour. I'm only going to make it a short one today. Let's have a quick run over the economy to start with now that I've finally posted up there. I'll just tell them on Discord that we're in here as well. That'll take 2 seconds. Crypto chat. Hey guys. Live for now. Okay, done. See, that one was quick. Now, let's get onto the market and have a look. Last time I saw Bitcoin was actually making a pretty good run up. I think it had cracked 4,400. The speculative announcement from Fish yesterday might have pushed it over the top. And it has. 4,437 US dollars a coin. So Bitcoin dominance is starting to restore a little bit more again as well. It's popped up to 49.1%. Is it everyone starting to get ready for the free BTG and B2X? I'd say probably, you know. It's not really too early. But it's good to see that market cap back up at 150 billion. Ethereum has continued on its winning ways, which is good to see, up at a 300. Well, it's good to see and it's bad to see. I owe Wilkie, because I borrowed an Ethereum off him to make up my 4 Ether investment on an ICO recently. So in terms of Australian dollar figures, now it's costing me more to pay him back. Good thing is I've traded to 0.6 of it, so I'll just keep trading it until I get a full one and then I'll give it back to him. Thanks, Wilkie. Yeah, so good to see Ethereum up at 311.26. That's good to see. Ripple's going from strength to strength, still gaining. 23.8. I know a few people have got out of it recently on those highs. Or recent highs, I should say. Don't know about Ripple. We'll see how that goes going forward. There's pretty good gainers all over the economy. Hey, look at Neo. That one went under my radar a bit, but it's back up to 36.50. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. We saw where Wilkie bought it, so we know it's his shout next time he's over. Wilkie, your shout. And that's what you get for releasing where you bought it and how much of it you bought. So now it's your shout because everyone knows how much money you've made. Alright, so well done to Wilkie and all the Neo fans. As you guys know, I've only got a very, very small amount. I've never really looked to stock back into it after selling out at $10 because I went big. I got into it early. So to sell out at $10, I'd made really solid money. And it's really hard for me to start buying back in at 20 and 25 and that sort of thing. I potentially could have when it dipped back down to 17. I just already spent my money in other places. Don't mind Neo though, just not heavily into it. Obviously looking towards China for the lead on Neo, seeing what they're going to do with restrictions and regulations in the crypto economy going forward and into 2018. That'll be your main indicator for Neo and for QTUM probably as well. Speaking of which, it's doing quite well. It's at $12.08. So we know Xiao has made good money on that because we know he bought it at $8. So Xiao, next time you're in Australia, your shout. Okay, so let's have a quick look at Substratum and see where that's sitting so I can get Pete from Evoca to buy me a drink as well. See, this is what I'm doing. Give out all these tips and then you all owe me a drink. Actually, to be fair, Pete brought Substratum to my attention, so I probably owe him a drink after this one. Pete, I owe you a beer, man. Let's have a look. It was looking good last time I saw it. Yeah, and it's staying steady. It's up 3%. So we're looking at 15.4 cents per coin. That's nice for the Crypto Wave investment crew who did get in on that at ICO level and also made use of the referral system to get extra coins amongst the group. We've all benefited nicely from that one. So please make your own decisions on the sell. As always, we've gotten to great profit on that one. I'm going to keep holding for those of you who are interested in my strategy. It is venture capital. I see it as a long-term project. I see it as it's either going to go nowhere or be $1 billion company. I'll see it as the money will either literally drain out to zero or it'll make me heaps. That's the way I see this one. Hey, Crypto K, watching Harry Potter. Hey, Crypto K and I had a chat yesterday. It was pretty cool. We got on Discord, we got on the phone and actually had a good chat off air. And he's the one who's inspired today's show as well, to let you know what's all going on with Bitshares, because Crypto K and I had a chat about it. Yeah, cool. I'm not hanging around for much, Crypto K, today. I got stacks on, man, so it's just a quick one. Do a quick look at the market, have a quick talk about Bitshares, and then I'm out of here because Geordie's here. Tondi himself. Yo. So that's the kid that does my don't call me weak. No, that's he's the guy who's good with computers and editing and all that. So we're going to take advantage of the Sunday. I was supposed to be competing today. I've got it off. So we're going to do a lot of videos. But we'll get that stuff set up because we can get the Google Hangout stuff set up and all that, so you can actually come in and share the information you do have with the group live on the show like we planned yesterday. But it was really good to have a chat to Crypto K. Funnily enough, I thought he was from the UK, and then he came through with a very clear US accent, and I went, oh, not from the UK at all. So it was great to have an actual voice chat with Crypto K yesterday, and we'll get him on the show soon so you all get to hear the voice. We're gonna have a few accents on the show. Like we were talking about this yesterday, Crypto K. We've got João in Portugal. We've got me. We've got Pete with probably an even Aussie accent than me. Yeah, Trump's my best friend. I don't know about that. And we've got a couple of US guys, a couple from the UK. So it should be a good multicultural, multi-accent show when we can get it all set up. Shouldn't take too long. A couple more days. Jordan, you'll figure it out, right?
What are we doing?
I got to get like Google Hangouts or something set up.
Yeah, we'll try and fix it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. With it, I'm not. Who's a Trump guy? Crypto K says, I never thought you'd be buds for the Trump. I'm not even going to get onto politics today. We don't have time for the fishy rants. Not today. Oh, you're a Trump guy. No, that's okay. Politics, religion, all that sort of thing. I have my own opinions. Everyone else has theirs. Everyone's entitled to their opinions. So if you like Trump, that's awesome. Let me know if you, yeah, still love you too, bro. Just let me know, because we've got a lot of tradies in Australia who are out of work at the moment. So if you guys do need help, like building that wall. Yeah. Just joking around, Crypto K. I'm going to get onto the market before I get myself into political trouble, and I'm never allowed to travel to the US again. Build it high, Crypto K said. All right, I'm getting off politics. Let's get back onto the market. Let's get back onto what we're here for, which is crypto. Something we can all agree on. Well, at least that it's good. Which coins, we don't even agree on that. Hey, I saw Vertcoin dip pretty hard, Crypto K. I saw it dip pretty hard after that massive run up. So yeah. Let's have a look. What else we got? QTM run up. Lisk at $5.18. Hey, I did see Lisk drop down to $5 and get gobbled up. I said that yesterday. If it drops to 5 even, remember the Fibonacci sequence? 2 to 8 is a growth of 6, so we take off half of that. 3, so 8 down to 5 is by 3. All right, Crypto K, cool, man. Sorry to not have it ready today, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Enjoy Harry Potter with the kids. Great day for it. Well, it is here. It's all overcast and everything. Not sure what it's like in Texas. So yeah, I'll keep going with this. But there's a lot of good green figures coming off some dips. What else have we got here? ARK's down to $2.56, continuing to tumble. Unless anyone's heard any news why that has suddenly become a less valuable proposition in the crypto economy, I'd like to suggest that ARK's pretty good buying. That's, I think, smart bridge technology, and actually instead of having side contracts, if you like, it actually bridges 2 different blockchains together. So I like that. It's pretty cool. Point of difference. Like ARK. It seems to have a good support behind it, and good team, good community. It's ticking every box, right? So I do like ARK, and I'm struggling to understand the retracement that we're seeing at the moment. But I haven't heard any news coming out on it, and there are certainly plenty of value propositions that people are looking into. So perhaps it's ones it's not really flavour of the month at the moment, but I see it as a great long-term project. So for me, it's good buying at the moment. It's one of the few that's in a really nice buy position for mine at the moment. Not necessarily, you guys know me, it's not because the confidence is flooding back in. I like to try and catch it on the way down. I'm a bit of a cheeky bugger like that. So let's have a look what else we've got. Yeah, 10x again, hovering around that $2.11 mark. I think long term you'll find that's good buying. I really do. They're going to get their credit cards out to a lot of people internationally in November. That's the plan. And once a few people start using them and see how, I think they'll work well to spend your crypto. The friends of friends of friends thing, you know, word of mouth is going to happen. And I think 10x will go quite well in the months following November. So I think it's one to look out for. I like to try and stock up before the fact. So I'm I have been stocking up now. Expecting price to go up after November when people start receiving their cards. It's my personal opinion. Please make your own decisions on 10x. Komodo. Komodo's one that I got to buy and to sell on it. It had a... Yeah, hey Dayon. You got a haircut too, bro? Yeah, man, I was starting to look pretty crazy, right? Like, if I'm going to talk about crazy, if I'm going to act crazy, I need to look half sane. The beard's starting to come back, though. I got it all shaved down. But I might keep it a bit trimmer this time. We'll see how we go. I haven't put any shape into it yet. Just letting it beach bum investor, right? So, you should see the size of this shirt I'm wearing today. I'm in laundry day. Check this out. Well, you probably can't see, but... yeah, so... laundry day. All clothes are out on the line. They will be soon. They're in the washing machine at the moment. I said I wasn't going to rant today, and I've done well not to break that promise, talking about doing my washing. Okay, so PIVX, getting down to PIVX at $3.52. Nice sustained position after the announcement that our 3.0 wallet is being released, along with Zero Coin protocol being implemented on the 16th. So looking forward to that. As you guys know, I've taken on the challenge to write 11 raps in 11 days to celebrate this 11 days of PIVX. And now I'm wishing I hadn't have. No, I'm kidding, it's fun. I've already started on R, and then I got sidetracked and wrote another rap because the boys are all downstairs. You can probably hear the drums and guitars going again. So we might try and do a rap with bongo drums and guitars and stuff, because all the guys are downstairs playing already. So I'll see if I can rope them into it after the show. Should be fun. Let's talk about... I want to make sure we cover Bitshares, okay? Because it is an important... no, I haven't had a look into HTML coin yet, day on. I have had to apologise to our followers, bro, to our group, to our Crypto Wave investment crew, because at the moment, we're in a really hectic time at PIVX because we've just had some big releases. So my time is really, really PIVX focused at the moment, and I just don't have the time at the moment to research the new coins that we've promised to have a look at, but I certainly will get onto them. And in the meantime, the Crypto Wave investment crew is still running strong in our Discord group. So you're welcome to join us there. And the guys are pretty helpful. We've got, you know, Crypto K, we've got Xiao, we've got Pete. They're already yeah, you're the same with SafeX. I get that, and you know, if you've got a coin that you're working for me, I am paid by PIVX. That's being open and honest with you. I get paid in PIVX. I get allocated a budget, and for me, it doesn't make sense not to work as hard as I can on the currency that I'm getting paid in, right? So at times like this, I do have to go PIVX strong. Oh, you're not paid, you're just holding... Yeah, that's cool, Dale, but it's the same, man. Like, if you're an investor, it's the same thing, right? You still want to see your investment do well. So even if you just contribute anything to SafeX as you have just by talking about it now, that's... yeah, okay, Dale said, maybe I should consider asking for a budget considering how much PR I do for them. Yeah, look, I think SafeX has got an interesting value proposition. Me, personally, I went for District 0x, but I think any of them, SafeX, District 0x, Ether Dark, all so much better than what we've got in terms of eBay. So I'm happy to see them all succeed, all of them. I went with District 0x myself. Yeah, and Dayon's gone with SafeX, but I think they're both excellent value propositions. You know, there's no, you know, Pepsi Coke, right? There's no reason they can't both succeed. So I hope they do, and I hope they crush the shit out of eBay. Sorry. Promised I wouldn't rant, I've done it heaps. Okay, let's concentrate. Bitshares. Okay, Bitshares is being moved off of Bittrex. Now, I didn't actually look into the reasons why, because I was supposed to do that, but it is being considered a security. So the Securities Exchange Commission, is that what SEC stands for, have stepped in, and that's one of the reasons that Bittrex is delisting it. It could also be simply because it does provide a threat to them. I don't want to say that. That's just a theory I pulled out of nowhere. But the important thing is not why it's happening, it's how to get those coins of yours protected. So there is a couple of ways, and I want to say thank you to Crypto K, who had a discussion with me yesterday to let me know what the best way to handle the BTS being delisted from Bittrex, because you don't want to lose those coins. Now, I've only got a small shareholding, but don't forget, people lost 10 Bitcoins back in the day and thought nothing of it because it was only a few dollars, right? So, get them moved, get them safe, even if it's only a small amount. Now, I've just got some notes here that I made with Crypto K when we were having a chat yesterday. He gave me a few options. The one I liked most, off the top of my head, I'm just going to try and bring up my notes here. I've got that many things going. I think this is it. Yeah, okay. So, you can actually use the Bitshares wallet. There's a Bitshares wallet available. If you download that and transfer your Bitshares into there, obviously, that's probably going to be your safest bet. The one that I'm actually leaning towards, though, because I can't be bothered downloading more wallets, over it. Not until we got some stuff we're working on, which is going to make that process a whole lot easier. But until we're ready with that hardware, I don't want to download any more wallets. I can't be bothered. Got my PIVX wallet and I'm happy with that. Staking away. Got another staking bonus a couple of days ago. So I'm happy on PIVX. But for Bitshares, you can actually get that wallet, especially if you've got a substantial shareholding in Bitshares. It'd be best, I think, to go with the wallet. But what I'm actually going to do is Bitshares is actually listed over on Binance. So you can actually move your Bitshares over to Binance, and Binance won't be affected by the SEC regulations, which are going to cause Bitshares to be delisted from Bittrex. So, Binance is a good option for mine. I like the platform over there. 0.1% on your fees for exchange, as opposed to 0.25% for Bittrex. It does add up if you're trading a lot as well. I'm not a huge trader, so I don't mind paying the 0.25 at Bittrex. I'm comfortable with the platform. I've found it secure, and it has a good selection of coins. But Binance is excellent. Not as many coins, but stacks of whales over there, so you still get some really good volumes going through. And at 0.1%, that's a really fair and reasonable commission to take on the exchange. So, yeah, I'm going to move mine over to Binance. That's my plan of attack there. But the other option is I could have looked more into this, but Crypto K just explained it to me. Is the third option being DEX? So I'm hoping that makes sense to you. If not, go with Bitshares wallet. I'll just look on their site. I think it can be downloaded straight from bitshares.org wallet. Yep, there it is. So if you go to bitshares.org, I'm just having a look here now. Sorry, my computer's been really painful right at the wrong time. Yeah, so you can, if you go to bitshares.org, you can download the wallet there, and you can try the online exchange. I was going to jump on there and have a look, but I never got into it. Yeah, I think Bitshares has got some real potential, right? Decentralized exchange, massive amount of transaction, like the transaction speeds are through the roof. I think they're the highest in the economy from memory. So that's Bitshares, isn't it? I think it is. I'll double check that, and we'll talk more about the actual. Breakup of Bitshares, if you like, when we've got Crypto K in and a couple of the other guys to contribute to that actual discussion live. So I'm not just reading out their comments. That's where we're moving to on that one. So for all the Bitshares holders, open the wallet, get it over to Binance, or DEX is the other option. Say that like I know what that last one means. I'm going to have to look into it. See, I'll admit when I don't know. But Crypto K dropped those ones on me yesterday. We did have a chat. And thank you, Crypto K. You're a legend. Huge contributor over to our Crypto Wave investment crew. Got us on, big supporter of Vertcoin. I want to make this clear. He wasn't behind, he wasn't the mastermind behind the a Litecoin Vertcoin atomic swap, but he was instrumental in putting the developers in contact with each other, and as a representative basically of both communities, because he's an investor in both. And I think that's commendable. He's getting in there and actually working his own investment to make sure it succeeds, both of them. He wears Litecoin shirts. The guy's, he's funny as. Spoke to him yesterday. Can't wait to get him on. No, I didn't. Doesn't surprise me though. That's cool. Thank you, Dayon. Dayon's just said, did you see Verge might do the atomic swap? No, do you know which coin with? Is that with Litecoin as well, I'm guessing? Dayon, since that seems to be the flavour of the month with Litecoin, because they did do one with Bitcoin as well, right? Litecoin and Bitcoin did atomic swap, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, Dayon's just dropped that one on us, that Verge are going to do an atomic swap. Verge is a decent coin, it's an anonymous coin. I think the anonymous coins are going to do well in 2018, with a lot of regulation being attempted by different institutions and governments. So perhaps the anonymous coins are up for a good year in 2018. So yeah, Verge, interesting. If we've seen what the atomic swap did to Vertcoin, the price action was pretty big around that announcement. We were sitting down around 65 cents, I remember. Okay, just a teaser for now. They'll do that, Dayon. So Dayon's not sure which coin it's going to be with. I would suggest it's probably going to be Litecoin, since that's some technology that they seem to be really actively developing and focused on. That would be my guess. I have no reason to believe that, other than that Litecoin have done 2 atomic swaps in the last 2 weeks, let's say. So that would be my guess. And if that's going to be with Verge, that's good. Verge are making good moves. They got onto Binance. We saw price action around that. As I told you, I got sales around 194 Satoshi when it got listed onto Binance. And then, they're constantly ticking off the development targets and things like that. I don't mind Verge. I mean, it's a direct competitor to PIVX, really, in terms of what they're trying to achieve. But not what they're trying to achieve, but in I guess the value proposition they offer as a currency to the economy and a privacy currency. I still like PIVX better. Good proof of stake model, good governance by consensus model. So I like PIVX, but no, I like Verge. Verge is a good project, I think. And like I've always said, we need healthy competition. Healthy competition's a good thing. Not clawing over each other and fighting each other, driving each other to achieve more with our technology and the adoption of cryptocurrency into the world. We all should be working on that together. And I think a lot of currencies do have that attitude, and a lot of people within the economy do have that attitude. But some people are very, very focused and very narrow-minded down one coin. I think that's dangerous. Doesn't that just, we want to avoid monopolies, surely. It's not going to serve us well. So I don't know. I think throwing all your weight behind any one coin is I work for PIVX. Of course I want to see it take the #1 spot. Of course I do. But to throw, I don't have every dollar I have in PIVX. No way. Not even all my crypto investments in PIVX. No way. It's a substantial amount. I'd say my PIVX makes up probably 30-40% of my overall investment, but that makes sense. I work there, right? So for me, that makes sense for me. But it's not the only coin I hold. It's not the only coin I support. I've been a big supporter of Event Chain and Ashton Addison. I think what he's trying to do with providing a solution through blockchain to end ticket scalping and exorbitant prices to the customer for a service that doesn't add any value to our community. He's trying to cut that out. So yeah, I'm a huge supporter of that. Hey Agent Smith, how are you? I'm a massive supporter of encryption. Encryption are aiming to put blockchain and into the medical industry, if you like. Everything from more data access for researchers to more securely kept patient files to less bungling at the hospital's end to doctors not being able to get through with it. It can solve a lot of issues, administrative and research and treatment issues in the medical industry if David and the team at Encryption get it right. So yeah, I'm going to back that as well. I love it. I worked over there. You guys know that. I did some publicity for him. I think David Copesell's a brilliant man. I think he's a real visionary in the medical industry. And I hope he pulls it off. I really do. Not for financial gain. Not just because I've got shares in it. Because I think it can really change the world for the better. And that's what I'm investing in all these projects for. So yeah, I think if you're going heavy on one coin, it could end up biting you in the bum. Simple as that. Even the one I'm working for, I haven't got 100% in. Not a chance. No way. Diversification's important. Maybe not 50 coins like me, but a good bundle of 7 or 10 of the best coins out there. Like, can anyone honestly tell me here that proof of work or proof of stake will win out, or it have to be a hybrid, or you can't tell the future with that. So having proof of stake and proof of work in your portfolio is smart. And if you can find a hybrid coin in there to do proof of work, proof of stake, that's smart. Then you've got anonymous coins. Diversifying around some different ideas and some different values that are brought to the economy by different currencies, I think is the best way to go. Oh, Grinkers, I'm so sorry, bro. You're a legend. I'd love to keep this stream going on for you, man, because you've only just got in, but I'm going to cut it short today. That's a great comment, Dayon. Dayon's funny. Dayon said, if we're the early adopters of cryptocurrency, what were those people who were into it 5 years ago? Yeah, sorry, Green, because I've got a stack on today, so I'm keeping it short. We just talked about Bitshares, man. If you've got it on Bittrex, get it out of there. Yeah, sorry, getting back to Dayon's comment. If we're the early adopters of cryptocurrency, what were those people that were into it 5 years ago? Tinfoil people? Yeah, man, they were real visionary, right? Like my cousin was into Bitcoin in 2013, 2014, I want to say. He was actually on the board in Australia. And a lot of the family, including myself, kind of went, what's he doing? Because we've always had very successful businesses in the family, and my cousin's out there running around with this thing that none of us understood, and we were like, what? He's selling what now? He's doing what now? None of us understood it. He must have dropped it on me 50 times. Oh yeah, if you had a look at Bitcoin yet? I'm like, no. Finally this year I did. So there you go. Yeah, man, they've had to put up with some ridicule and some bumpy rides along the way as well, the guys who've been in early. So massive hat tip to those guys and for sticking with it, because it would have been heartbreaking after that massive collapse in 2014. From like 1,000 down to whatever it was, $100 or something. That would have been heartbreaking. But you guys who stuck with it always knew it was a good thing. I mean, you've certainly been rewarded for that, and handsomely so. So, well done to you. Yeah, guys, I am going to sign out. I would love to go through more crypto chat today, but I do have to be responsible and get some work done. So, hour tomorrow, I promise. We'll have a look at some more stuff. Thanks for joining in the shortened Sunday session of the Crypto Wave Investment Crew chat. For those of you, just quickly, because there are some new guys in the chat, so for those of you who are new, you are welcome over to our Discord group. We just chat about crypto. Everyone is welcome to their own opinion. If you have an alternative opinion, we do encourage you to bring it up, because it helps all of us to get a fair assessment of any given, this is really frustrating, any given investment. Okay, this is tempting my patience. I'm just trying to get it going. My computer's decided to be really, really temperamental. I'm sorry about this. I've clicked something on it. Invite people. Copy. YouTube. Yeah, got it. Alright, cool. That's the Discord link for the newbies. You're welcome to join us over there. Our rules are basically just around allowing people to have their say. So no racism, no attacking people individually. But please bring any information you like to the table. If it is a rumour, please classify it as a rumour so that we know it's a rumour, or fact if it is. We've got all different channels, from news to ICOs to crypto chat to general lounge, all sorts of things. We run competitions over there just for a bit of fun. I've still got to pay people too. I think I owe about 5 PIVX at the moment, so we'll get onto that. Sorry, running late. But you guys know I always pay it out in the end, so I just got to figure out who to pay on last week's wins. So we'll do that. All the newbies, welcome over there. Yeah, just basic rules of etiquette. That's pretty much how our group runs, and we're certainly not a pump group. Everyone makes their own decisions. If we do all choose to get in on the same investment, especially if it's an ICO, we will get on the Discord group and talk each other through it, just to help each other. Make sure we're not going to lose those investments. So we do that as a group as well. Thanks for joining in. Welcome to all the newbies, and to all the regulars, thanks for coming as always. I'll catch you all tomorrow for a good 1 hour, I promise. See you later, fish out.